everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about modeling. So I thought that why not we should create a complete project in which we will just model our object, and then we will texture it, then we can rig it, then we can animate it, and we will actually follow all these steps, and through this journey we will learn about every part of the blender. So that is a better idea. I think that's a better approach. So we can choose some character from here, so or we can I just have added a building as well. So let's first create this very simple object, which is a building, and we will just create this simple building, and we will learn about the modeling process, and then we will choose some character as well, so that you will be confident with complete creation process. So whenever we should have a reference image, we can add that image into Blender. So for example, if we want to create this robot or this robot, we have these reference images, and we can place these reference images in Blender in a proper way. So for placing this building, although this building has only one reference from the front view, we don't have any reference from the side view, or from right or left view, or from back view. But for this type of simple building, this workflow is fine. This much reference is fine. So for adding reference in Blender, we can just select the image and we can just drag drop it in Blender. Whenever we will add image to Blender, you can see it will be in Blender, but it can be with any type of rotation or scale or anything else. So first of all, we will select this image and we will press Alt G, Alt R. It will minimize the rotation, and it will fix any problem related to the position and the rotation of our image, and our image will be at 0, 0, 0 index. Now we can press R for the rotation, and then X for the x-axis, and 90 degree, and now you can see that our image is on x-axis. We can just design our character, design our building. So if we press 1, you can see we have this front view. If we press 3, this is the side view, and you can see we don't have anything in the side view. Before moving further with the building, I will show you that how we can set up the other type of images, reference images as well. So for example, if you want to set up this image, maybe if you are creating some character, then what you can do, you can select this image and drag drop this image in Blender, and then we will press Alt G, Alt R, and then RX 90 degree, and we will just adjust this front view in the front, so we can just move it like this, and it should be on this Z line. You can see it should be in the middle, okay, and then we can just move it little bit back, and then we will start creating our character by front view, and just start creating our character. Definitely for the character modeling we need the side images as well, so we can press Shift D. Shift D is a shortcut key of duplicating an object, okay, and then we can place it anywhere. We will press Alt G, Alt R to make it default, it on the default surface, and then we will press RX 90 degree, and we want to rotate it to Z axis as well, so we will press RZ 90 degree, and now you can see that it will be available, RZ 90 degree. So now it is available to the right view, so we can move it here, and now if we go to 1, it is the front view. If we go to 3, it is the side view, and for the side view we will just adjust the side reference to the middle of this Z index. So in this way we can add our reference images, and I will just delete this image because we want to create a building first. Okay, so this is our first project, and we will learn that how we'll create the building from the next video.